आज जी DPC आशिल्ली ही DPC एक पॉलिटिकल फार्स सरकार जो करता, एक रिच्युअल जे कंप्लीट करूंक जाय, एक वावर काडटात, तो वावर काडपाक आमी हांगा आयिल्ले अशें सिद्ध जालें. सिद्ध कित्याक जालें? कित्याक हो जो CEO म्हूण आसता तांचो चीफ एक्झिक्युटीव ऑफिसर, ताणें म्हणलां पयलें की द DPC इज डिफंक्ट म्हणून. तो पयलींच सांगता. And quoting him, second he says that government has to give them, allot them staff, for which they wrote a letter in 2012. Who was ruling that time? BJP. Then they again sent a reminder in 2015. Who was ruling that time? Again BJP. Thus, elections are held on party lines. This chairperson of Zilla is BJP. Okay? Now further on they say that a DPC has to be held at the beginning of the 5-year period. Gazette has come in 2016. Are we at the beginning or at the end? I am surprised that our law minister is trying to find something, and the law minister's argument is, purposeless.
See, there is no uproar. You see, political people have their political agendas. The agenda of the meeting had to be discussed. Now, who calls the meeting? The chairperson, by way of a notification. He is the Zilla Panchayat Adhyaksh, who is the chairperson of this district planning commission. It has got nothing to do with the Zilla Panchayat elections.
डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक आमकां लोकांनी सगळे MLA निवडून दिल्यात, आमकांय निवडून दिल्या. पंचायत सरपंच मेंबर आसा, कावन्सिलर आसतले, हांकांय बी डेव्हलपमेंट करपा खातीर म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी प्लॅनिंग करूनच ती फुडें मिटींग घेतली म्हणटना डेव्हलपमेंट जाता अशें ना. मिटींग घेतलो जाल्यार ते सगल्यो फॉर्मेलिटी आमकां जाय पडटा, मटेरियल जाय पडटा, तें आमकां आसपा जाय, तें आमचे कडेन ना म्हणून आमी मिटींग घेतली ना.
किती अमाउंट दिना आशिल्लो गव्हर्नमेंट
खबर ना म्हाका.
कितले लेटर बरयले?
आमी लेटर बरयलेली म्हणजे आमकां स्टाफ कमी आसा आनी एक्चुअली ते पार्ट ऑफ जिल्हा पंचायत आमी विचार करता. जिल्हा पंचायती काम न्हू तें, जिल्हा पंचायतीचो स्टाफ हाडून हें काम करपाचें ना.